Welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna be editing one of my friend's game, and I'll be fixing all the team bugs and stuff. So let's get into it. I'm gonna play some music. I'm gonna mute myself for the rest of the video, and then I'm gonna be working on the game.
Don't need no warning. This feeling's right. Vibrations show through my bones. Sensations flow through your glow. So incredible. The way I feel with you, so phenomenal. Always push me through, unforgettable. The way I feel with you, unbelievable. How you always push me through. Electrified with you, electrified. Electrified with you. So incredible, so phenomenal. Electrified with you. I'm pulsing in a flash of light. My heart's convulsing. This feeling's right. Vibrations.
So we just gotta wait until this loads, and then we'll get into it.
Flow through your glow. So
Got a few more minutes.
the way I feel with you, so phenomenal. And you always push me through, unforgettable. The way I feel with you, unbelievable.
Connecting the Roblox, shutting down. Alright, here we go.
Electrified with you, electrified. Electrified with you, electrified.
Okay, it's loading the place. There we go. We're almost in.
So incredible. The way I feel with you, so phenomenal. How you always push me through.
I'm gonna show you guys how I do all my stuff. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. Let me play the next song. Here we go.
Getting stronger every day. Keep on pushing through the pain.
Alright, it's loading.
Keep on running till we die. Ain't no mercy in this life. There's nowhere left to run away. No, there's nowhere left to run away.
Okay. So yeah, I wrote that script, by the way. Yeah, I gotta close out of it. where's the team thing? Bro. Okay, I need to recode this. I'm gonna recode this whole entire thing. Like, why does he use all these free models? Okay, guys, we're gonna take all this. I gotta make it visible so I can see it. I gotta look at the configure thing. Timer before reset. I'm gonna recode this, so delete all that. Okay, it's auto saving. Alright, so local config equals script.parent, and we're gonna say require. So require script.parent dot configure button header color. I don't know what it means by accent color, but okay, let's see. Gotta look at the properties. We're just gonna say the name, so let's do accent color for description. So the name is gonna use the accent color, okay? So the name and the button text are gonna be that color, okay? So
Come and fly away with me. 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 Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I.
I guess it's gonna be like the text color. Okay, so the name is gonna be I gotta see how this works first. Guys, I gotta see how it works. So
Somewhere by the emerald sea, where the moon and water meet. Somewhere close to harmony, when the world is sound asleep. Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to
Brian, why are you moving
fly
up?
away.
Huh? Why are you moving up?
Don't you be afraid,
I'm
everything will
over.
change. You
Oh,
and
okay.
I, jumping off the edge, they say
okay
keep
guys,
us on
so
the top. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me.
this is so confusing. Hold on.
We're falling, we're making moves. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views.
We're gonna see how he does it. One second.
Yeah.
So this is how it looks like, okay? So
Something's gonna bring the
alright, so for
change. Journeys
each
we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.
we're gonna say script up parent. No, yeah. In pairs. I gotta define stuff. So we're gonna say local mainframe equals script parent dot parent dot main. Okay, and then so I'm gonna move this down. I'm gonna say local open frame script parent open, and I'm gonna say open frame dot icon button dot mouse button one click connect function, and then we're gonna say if if mainframe dot position equals vector3 dot new 0.5 0 -1 0. We gotta put another speaker sign. Oh, hold on. So X. No, we can do this. We can say instead of vector, we're gonna say we're gonna say 0.5. Then we're gonna say 0. Hold on. Oh, it's a UD. It's a UDEM too. So UDEM2 dot new. There we go. There we go. Zero. There we go. And then no, we're gonna say 0.5 0 0.5 0. All right, and then we're gonna say else.
Greetings chosen, I've been waiting here for you since the beginning of this universe.
0.5 do that. And then I'm gonna comment this out so that we can test it. Alright, we're gonna click play, and then it should be working. We should be able to open it. Okay.
Greetings chosen, I've been waiting here for you since the beginning of this universe. You know the world is fading. There's a
Okay, so we got it opening and closing.
soul, don't be afraid to use it.
But let's do the tween. Let's do tween position.
Saying that you're a failure, move it. You're not good enough, but you know that's
So to make it smoother, we're gonna do this. So we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna say 0.5, 0, 0.5, and then 0. Then the ease in direction, I'm gonna say out. We're gonna say linear. Say false. And then we're gonna do the same thing for this. So tween position into piece it there. Zero point 0.5 and false. So now if we click play, we should see like an animation. So now, if we click on it, as you can see, it has like a little animation. Alright, there we go. So now we have to code the stuff that goes in it. Right, so anti-click spam type, leave it 0 for instance. I don't know what timer before reset does, but we might remove some settings. while prompt purchase. So we gotta go in the teams folder. Billion. Alright, so for each of these groups, we're gonna make so I'm gonna say we're gonna loop through the table. So local teams equal config dot group presets. So we're gonna say for I be in pairs. I'm gonna say do. Alright. I'm gonna say console. No, not console. I'm thinking of JavaScript. We're gonna say print v. Okay. So then we gotta open up our console, our output, and then whenever we click play, it should print everything into the console. Okay. Okay, we got civilian. All right. We got. All right. So we're getting everything. All right. So then once we got that, now we have all the data. So
Summer in the hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were running still, had the whole world at our feet.
so
Watching
then we can
seasons
do this.
change, our roads were lined with adventure. Mountains in the way couldn't keep us from the sea.
We're gonna say we gotta get the template. So you gotta say local So we gotta say local template equals mainframe body dot list holder. Then we gotta say dot list dot template. No, dot layout dot template. And then we gotta say template clone. I want to see if this actually works. Okay, hold on. That's visible. Alright, let's see. Let's join and see if it's gonna show everything. Alright. So it should automatically clone. Okay, there's our team switcher. I don't see the clear GUI. I gotta look at this. It says it's visible. I just don't see it for some reason. Fill direction vertical, sort order. Okay. Let's see. Delete. Maybe if I change this.
Grab anything useful.
For some reason it's not working. Hold on, let me. I'm gonna look in the game to see. I gotta test it in the game, the actual game. I just don't know why he uses free models.
Take that weapon.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna go in the actual game to see what the issue is. This is gonna take a while, but we'll get it done. Okay, so I'm in the game. It does work. I don't see the issue. Yeah, guys, I don't see an issue with this. Okay, yeah, I might not be working on this because it doesn't seem like there's an issue with those things, so I'm gonna go back to I'm gonna revert the version history back to when he published. Restore back. I'm gonna close out. Unable to reproduce, because yeah, that bug can't be reproduced. Okay, let's go and check. When someone makes a bug request, we gotta test it to make sure it works. If it works, then it can't be reproduced. Yeah, I don't know what the issue is, guys. He says question mark. Unless they can provide me like steps to reproduce, I don't see the issue. Okay, guys, let's go back into it. Where's my Roblox Studio? Bro, it's not. I really hate version history because. Let me try this one. I hate version history because it doesn't always work. But here we go. We're gonna try it again. Okay, guys. Okay. There we go. Yeah, I don't see any issues with the team thing. So I'm just gonna click publish. Let's see. Oh, so basically whenever this is true, it'll reset the character. While prompt purchase, rate 0 false, group action. Okay, so yeah. So if this is true, right? Specific, this specific group. Okay. All right, so staff. Um, we're gonna make this the true. No, actually false because it's group only. Alright. Headquarters. Law. I'm gonna look at all the settings. Okay, so these are government, and then that's, yep. So I think the settings are all correct. So yeah, it's all good. So we don't have to do anything. Right, so what is the next bug? Let's see. Bro, he didn't tell me all the bugs, but we're gonna look at it. I'm gonna call him, make sure. Hello?
You.
So what's the next bug?
Um,
I tried the team thing, but I couldn't reproduce it.
what does that mean?
That means that when I tested it, I couldn't like reproduce the bug. So that means it's not a
It's like,
bug.
it's a bug because it won't show all the teams.
It won't what? It won't
It's
show
like,
all the teams? What do you mean?
like it'll show all the teams, but the Aviation Forces team, it doesn't show that on the UI.
Yeah. Hold on, let me check.
Okay.
Team switcher. You're saying that aviation forces doesn't show?
Correct.
Okay, let me test it.
All right.
Cause I don't know what people were saying was the bug because like I tried joining those teams and it worked. Like I clicked join team and it like switched the team.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Oh, you want to know why?
Why?
Cause not everything fits on the screen. So I gotta do some edits to the scrolling frame.
I removed the team, but then after I removed that team, then another team wouldn't show.
Yeah, because it's overlapping. That's what's happening.
Oh.
So I got to go in here, scrolling frame, and change the canvas size. So automatic canvas size, we gotta set that to Y, and then change the canvas size to 1. There we go. So now you should, whenever I play, you should be able to see every single team on
Test it.
but I haven't published it yet. I didn't
Okay.
publish it yet. By the way, I'm making a video while I'm fixing your thing. Do you want to shout out?
Sure.
Okay, shout out to Van RBX.
Yeah.
Go sub to his channel. Okay, so here we go. Click. I can't see. I gotta zoom in. Hold on. Oh wait. I think I think what you didn't do was you didn't type in the name correctly. Let me check the teams folder. I gotta make sure that everything is on there.
Okay.
So teams, aviation forces. So it is case sensitive. So oh, you have a typo. You have a typo. That's what it is.
Oh.
Yeah, you put a typo, so that's why it's not showing. There, I fixed that. So you gotta make sure you don't have any typos because then it's not gonna show on there. Because you put two T's in aviation forces.
Oh.
You put aviation forces. Let me check. Let me check if it's on there. I see it. I see it now. It's on there. Okay. I'm gonna
Yay.
click publish to see and let me know if all the teams are on there. Okay.
Okay.
So file publish to Roblox. It says auto saving. Yeah, because I was trying to code it like from scratch, but then I realized that it was working, so I decided not mess with it. But
Yeah.
all I had to do was small changes. Because I didn't know what the bug was. I thought the bug was like joining teams because they weren't very like specific. They just said there was a bug and I thought it might be like joining teams.
Mhm.
So I'm gonna go ahead and test it. Alright, joining server. Okay, click play. Okay, we have civilian, cutter forces, deployable operations. We have headquarters, Marlaw staff, USCG, aviation forces. We have government, and we have CGIS. Is that all the teams?
Yep. Perfect.
Okay, let me see if I can join all of them. So cutter forces, it's gonna reset me, and it's sending the notification. Okay, notification's working. And then deployable operations. Alright, that one works. Headquarters. It's gonna refresh me. And then Marlaw. Let's see. And then staff. I'm gonna join the staff. Okay, staff works. USCG. Okay, that works. Aviation Forces. That one works. And then the last two. Government. Oh, it says to developers, please fix government. You can't enable both
Oh yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't.
is group and
That's
is
yeah.
specific group
I've seen that. I don't know what it
and
is
is Game Pass.
because I fixed it, but it just doesn't work.
You're not in the group, so I can't join the CGIS because I'm not in the group.
It's yeah that it's maybe just try to fix the or I'll try to fix the government. But thanks for fixing that part. That was really helpful.
You're welcome. Let me look at the government real quick. I'll look at it. So
Alright.
government.
Let me go. Okay, real quick.
So you gotta turn this to false. You gotta turn is
Uh,
group only to false, okay? And then you gotta keep is specific group turned to true.
okay. I'm gonna
And
go. Okay, real quick.
then what else did it say? I think it should work now. Hold on. Let me publish again.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom quick.
Okay. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay. I published it again. So the government should be working now. And then I'm gonna try to CGIS. Okay guys. So government join. Okay, it worked.
Yay.
Okay, government's fixed. So, if you want it to be a specific rank, you have to turn group only off because what group only means is that if you're just in the group. So you have to turn that to false and turn a specific group to true. You can't have both of
Yeah.
them. You can't have both of them turned on.
Yeah.
So government now works. So everything is fixed.
Alright.
I can't test a CGIS because I'm not in the group. So let me know if the CGIS doesn't work.
Alright.
Okay. Well, I'll see you later.
See ya.
Oh, and I gotta meow 15 times because I just got another sub. So I gotta meow for the video. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video tonight at 5 p.m. It's gonna be a live stream, so I hope to see you guys there. And peace out.